How to add subtitles automatically in CapCut. So if you have a video where you want to add subtitles automatically, it is very easy to do so. So what I'm going to do is scroll down and find a video where I can add subtitles to if it is talking. It does have to be a talking video in order to add subtitles though. So let's click on this video right here. So if we want to add subtitles automatically, on the bottom, you can see this little scroll bar here. We're going to go to where it has captions. From there, we are going to go to generate from. So you can generate from the video if you are talking in the video. And this one I did a voiceover, so I'm going to click on that. The spoken language will be auto-detected. I was speaking English here. And then you can choose different templates for the captions. So we are then going to click on generate. Now that it is done, you can see the captions are automatically generated and we can now export this video. You can also click on the captions itself if it got a word wrong. That way you can edit it. And that is how you put auto captions on a CapCut video.